I have a question. Do you have a $1 million schedule? You want to make $1 million? You want to make, gross sales of $1 million? What is it your numbers are? Does your schedule reflect that? You need to have consistency in your day, meaning what time are you getting up every day? Are you going to the gym? Are you getting your workouts in first thing in the morning so you can get the endorphin release and on to the day? I know me personally, I'm up at 4:45, get to the gym, meet my trainer at 5:45, 5:50, get my workout in. I'm home by 7:30 and shower, get ready. I'm in the office by 8:30. I'm in my meetings by 9. So my first meeting's 9 to 9:30. Get into the next, my power hour, 9:30 to 10:30. So are you making calls? Make sure you're making these outbound calls. These are more important than ever. See, I just did our market update. Sales were down in our county about 25%. Our sales are actually increased over last year because people are wanting the professionals that are not taking all just these new agents. So does your schedule show you're a professional? Are you working on yourself? Are you making your outbound calls? Outbound calls, what do they sound like? So I blend 3 of my top 50, 2 other sphere calls, and 15 lead follow-ups. If you do that consistently every day. So 3 top 50 would be, I have my 50 people that I talk to every month. That is all about Ford. Family, occupation, recreation, dreams. Hey, how's it going? Hey, Dick, I haven't talked to you in a little while. How's your wife doing? How's the kids? What's new and exciting? How's work going? It's general conversation. You just want to find out how they're going. Think of everybody going through COVID. They have not had the social interactions that they had previously. They are not talking to as many people. So make sure that you're going around and having conversations with these people so they see you care about them, because that's the ultimate thing. And you have to be calling from that state of mind of like, hey, I thoroughly want to know how you're doing. If it's those people that you really don't care about, then should not be somebody in your top 50. And you only have so much time in a day. So 3 of them, 2 other sphere. Sphere could be you met them at an open house, they became part of your follow-ups, you met them pumping gas. Hey, it's a lender, it's a title company, it's a home inspector, whoever your normal sphere, but not your raving fan. So that would be 2 of them. And then 15 lead follow-ups. The lead follow-ups would be find out what's important to them. And it may start as easy as, hey, are you still looking to buy a home? Are you still looking to buy in the next 6 months? What's your time frame? Dig deeper with these people too. So if it's lead follow-ups, go into it with value. What are you bringing to the conversation? Not, hey, are you just looking to buy a home? Yeah, if they're not responding to a phone call, the text could be, are you still looking to buy a home this year? This year could be in the next, 4 months, 3 months. So what does that look like? Dig a little bit when you get into the voice conversations of, hey, where are you at? What's making you move? Are you like having a baby, getting married, having kids? Are you empty nesting? Where are you at in the state of things? Say maybe it's a divorce, maybe they're getting married, whatever it may be, but dig a little bit to find out. And that is just regular conversation. You should be role playing too. So 3 days a week we do role play. What do you say? How do you say it? And you can go through the basics. Basics would be LP Mama. Location, price, motivation, agent, mortgage, appointment. Those are 6 key things. If you listen to Zillow, they cut it down to 4. But I think ultimately, if you go through all 6, those are talking points to really find out what people need. This is not you're tricking them into anything. This is not bait and switch. This is ultimately giving you questions that you can dig deeper with people. Today, more than ever, you have to dig deep. If you stay surface level, you're not going to make it anymore. You're going to go through call after call after call after call and no conversion. When you start getting deeper with these conversations and they know that you're trying to help them, then you get somewhere and your conversion goes up. But you have to spend the time. But going back to schedule, what's the rest of your day look like? Do you have time blocks? Do you time block for lead follow-up? Do you have time block for writing contracts? Do you have time block for reviewing contracts? Do you have time block for your listing appointments or buyer appointments? Make sure you make your life boring, meaning you're trying to do the same things in time frames every day. If you know that, hey, Wednesday night's my date night at 5 o'clock, you do not block any appointments from 5 o'clock on, because you're going to have somebody awfully mad at you, whether it be your wife, your kids, whoever your date night is with. So make sure you stay consistent with that. And the key to all of this is consistency and persistency. So whatever you do, just remember those 2 things. Go sell some houses and take care of your clients. Take care.